Okay, guys, you having troubles of walking into stuff, hitting stuff? Tell me, you ever had problems like that? Oh, I'm going to tell you, I have my VR on. I can actually see it right here. I can touch this. I can touch this. The key feature, or lack of features, I don't have this on. Now, how do I get this? You get a Halo head strap. Yeah, these things are only like $40 US. And magically, this is the Bobo VR is the best one. And the great thing is, pop off battery, put a new battery on, and you last long. Now, the other ones strap to your heads tightly, they make you sweat. This doesn't. Without this right here, magically, I can see my hands. Oh, I can see my hands. I can touch my books. I can walk up here. Oh, I see this. You know the funny thing is, I have the VR on right now, and everything. I can grab down here. I can grab up here. I can see around my eyes because there's nothing there. Negative is, if you're looking at it to make it immersion, this is the bad thing. Positive is, you're not sweating. And of course, since I wear glasses, I can take it off and put it on. I know someone's going to copy this video. I can guarantee it. But the positive is, I can put my hands up here. So if a kid runs, someone runs over here, I can see it. If my cat decides my legs are chew toys, I can touch the kitty. I petted him during VR once. And you don't have to buy anything different. You just need a Bobo VR, or at least one of the headset straps called a Halo head strap. I just have Bobo VR, and if you're wondering, oh, you have the Quest 2. This can work for any of the quests except the one Meta Quest where it's all attached. The one it's Quest 3. This will work. Just get a Halo head strap for it. You could buy a El Cheapo if you want. You're just not gonna have a Mergy backup on it. And I have two of these batteries. You're not gonna play more than 2 hours if you do. If you do beyond that, buy a third battery. And make darn sure you buy the right one for your headset. Do not buy the one for the Quest 2 if you have the Quest 3. Have fun if you do. And the great thing is you don't have to have a fan up here. You could put this on your friend's head. And since you're not having to wash this at all, everyone can use the same headset, and no one has the problem. If you're having allergic reaction to this, oh, magically you're not having that problem. Oh, this is easy. I did it one time. I was in Gorilla Tech. I was using something fancy. All I did that day is just take this off. I have an extender right here, so for my glasses. I even have something right here necessary to protect my lenses from that. I have this hanging like this upside down on a 3D print. So just get a Halo head strap and save yourself some money and regrets later. Like and subscribe, it'll help me grow. Bye.